traffic jam is the eventually route to push off.
Guys, Gavin. How close is it?